Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you the mystery box that was on top of the van. So we managed to get it down. We did have to cut it down because the winch thing was really tight and one of them was really rusty. So we ended up just cutting it off and binning them things. I've had a peek inside, but I'm not 100% sure on what everything is. So just so you know, it is 5:20 and it just started getting a bit noisy around here. So you might hear a few noises in the background, I'm sorry about that. I have shut the door, I have turned the fan down and I'm really warm just so I could film this video. So I hope it's not too noisy. Also, I don't know if you can notice, but I have cut my hair. Well, Alex cut my hair. We bought some clippers to actually properly cut his hair rather than using his beard trimmer, and they came with some scissors, hair scissors, so I just said to him just cut it. So it's a bit of a DIY job, but it's fine for me. I'm not too bothered. I used to cut my own hair in Manchester sometimes. So yeah, let's get on with the video. First, I'm just going to show you the box. It is huge. I've got it down here. I'm sat on my bed, but it is down here and I don't want to get it on the bed because it's a bit rusty and a bit dirty. So I will show you it now. So this is the box. It's really heavy. So I'm just going to put it on the floor and then I will grab stuff out of it to show you. Then we've also got another one. I don't know if you can see it, it's just back here. And now I kind of know everything that's in that because that was on top of the van as well, but I got it down the first week we got the van because I was just so intrigued. But this one, it was in such a weird place and so tightly winched in that we just couldn't get it down until now. We literally had to cut it out with a knife, but it's made me out of breath because it's so friggin' heavy. So the first thing that I see is this Tupperware box.
Honestly, it just looks like a load of junk. I'm not even sure how many people own this either, so I couldn't tell you whose junk it is. So the first thing in this, some fishing line, got some fishing hooks. Then we've got some reels. They've got the hooks in them and a line, and there's another one that I can't lift it up, and that's got a law on it and loads of hooks. And then there's more hooks and there's weights. I don't fish, but I know this because I watched. If you've ever watched The Almighty, they do the dives in the river, and they get these all the time. They get the laws and the weights and stuff. I don't fish. I have no idea what this is, but it's hollow. No idea. $2.80. Got some of these. No idea what they are. Does it say what they are? Oh, it's peel off holographic law sticker. There's another one. Some more hooks. Just a load of fishing gear, really.
I don't like this box. At least we know what's in here. Now let's try and get it all back in. That's the hardest part about unpacking these types of boxes. A fishing box. Next is a wax and wash, which I think we might keep. Waxes while you wash, shine and protection. Because Jeremy needs a wash, so I might keep this. This is something that I saw before. It's just like a pipe. I have no idea what it's for. If anyone knows what this is for, car related or something, let me know in the comments. But this is probably something that I'll end up throwing away. Next is this Wilson volleyball. Sorry, there's someone cooking. It's so dirty in this box, it's horrible. I'm not sure if we'll keep this or not. Maybe. I think it's a volleyball. Yeah, it is. That's a nice ball, I guess. It just needs a bit of a wipe down. Then we have some flippers or fins, whatever you want to call them. They're still wet. So I have no idea what size these are. Oh, these are small, medium size, but they're not like the normal ones. They've got like, I don't know if you can see, but they've got like an adjustable strap around the back. And then there's another pair. I'm guessing these are medium large because they're a bit bigger. They are the exact same. They're by the brand Rocket. Maybe we'll keep these. I'm not sure if we'll use them. Maybe we'll keep them. Depends if they fit really, doesn't it? And then in this bag there's a pair of like snorkel goggles and then like normal goggles. We do have a pair of normal goggles each. These are Zogs. But this mask looks a little bit worse for wear. Very dirty. Sorry about talking. And then we have one snorkel. Just the one. And it's very grimy, you can see. So unless that cleans up nicely, that'll go in the bin. And then there's loads of just random things. There's a piece of string, there's these things, no idea what they're for. And then this, which I'm guessing it went around the top of the box. That box is going in the bin. I mean, you can see, but my hands are so filthy. Hopefully I don't keep going too out of focus because I do keep moving quite a lot. I will show you what is in this box because there is a lot more in here. This box is smaller and it actually fits inside the van. Once I've gone through this, I want to get rid of some of it. Like, some of it we just don't need. I don't know whether I will leave it here. There's like a charity shop bucket for you to leave stuff in when you leave. And maybe some of this stuff will come in useful and maybe some of this stuff will come in useful for the next people that own our van. But the first thing is this box of string. So they used this string to hang up the curtains, blind cord. I don't know why there's so much string. Someone might need it in the future, but we don't need it. The next thing we've got is this Pro Fuel butane gas canister. It's a 230 gram canister. It's very small. I have no idea what it's for. It's nothing that we need it for in the van. So I don't know if we'll keep this or not, or if we'll see if anybody else wants it. It's never been used, so. Next thing we've got is this wood glue. I don't know what they've used it for, but we're going to keep it because there's some stuff that needs to be fixed in the van. One of the pieces of wood that keeps the inside build stable or whatever together, the screw's gone loose, so we'll use that on that. Next is like a little sewing kit. I think there's some super glue in here.
So you've got like a little tiny sewing kit. Oh, there's a sharpener. I need the sharpener. The pencils from colouring are like blunt with anything. Get super glue, pinball, piece of elastic, buttons.
We'll keep this. Then there's these envelopes. Oh, there's like 3 sizes actually. There was a candle in here and in the heat a bit of it melted. We've actually got it outside now. So like there's candle wax over a lot of this stuff. But this is a, in fact it's just random crap, honestly.
There's a tape measure. There's some more sewing kit stuff and some batteries. AAA batteries, which we've just bought some of them actually. Don't know if they work or not, but this is absolutely covered in candle wax.
So this box will be going in the bin. There's the second pair of goggles. These are actually loads better than ours. These are Zogs again. Next is this. This is what Alex brought actually. It's a universal FM transmitter. So if you haven't got like a aux cable port in your radio, you plug this into your phone, this aux cable bit, then you find the radio station on here and on your radio, and that helps to charge this bit, and it plays your music through the radio, if that makes sense. Next is a bit of duct tape, like silver electrical duct tape, which I want to keep that. Next is like a bead box. It's literally full of beads. You know, looking through this, I just wonder who had this van before we had it. Beads. It's like jewellery making. There's some really pretty beads in there. Fair enough. I won't be using these, but they're there. Next is this like bundle of pens. So there's just some like biros, and there's some felt tips, and there's some Sharpies, some more felt tips. I will probably keep these because of my colouring book, but I'll get rid of these biros. I've got enough biros. So friggin' weird. Next to these like speakers, they look absolutely disgusting and broken. They're so dirty. These will be going in the bin. Sorry, my camera just decided to stop working, and if I've changed positions then that's why. But next we've got some tent pegs. Maybe I've just been going for so long because there's so much crap in this box. We've got another one of these dirty, horrible speakers, which will be going in the bin. Then we've got tons of cutlery. There's already tons of cutlery anyway, so why is there like a million cutlery people? Like, are we feeding 1,000 people in this van or something? There's literally going to be no more than 2 people at once in this van, because that's why you can flip and fit. These are going in the bin. There's more, and there's more, and there's more, and there's more, and there's more. They're all different. All of them are like every single one's different. On the terms of cutlery, there's a massive knife. It's really dirty. It's pretty oily. It's pretty gross. This will be going in the bin also. Alex is a chef, so he has his chef knives. So we'll be keeping them obviously because they cost him a lot of money. Then we've got this weird thing. It's like grill brush with like a scraper on it. What do we need a grill brush for? This is a grill brush, isn't it? We used to have these like similar to these at Nando's, but like massive ones. I don't think we need that really. Then we've got some cable ties, which will come in handy at some point. My camera seems to be really like playing up. But every time I look at it, it looks like it's really, really bright and that I'm moving weird. Hopefully it doesn't come out like that. I'm sorry if it does, if it's really bright or the brightness keeps changing. Hopefully I don't look too weird. Next, this is really weird. We've just got like a light fitting with a plug, whatever. It's just so weird. And now the French books start. So we've got a Maxime Chatham. I'm not going to speak in French. My French accent is awful. Did French at GCSE. I don't know how I passed it honestly. French book number 1. And then we've got The Alchemist. To realise one's destiny is a person's only obligation. $22.95 this cost. Nearly $23. I'll probably read this actually. That will stay. Elf, the international bestseller. This was $19.95. Okay, so we are having severe technical difficulties today. My camera just overheated. It's very noisy everywhere. Here we go, I'm nearly done. We've got some sort of thing. I'm pretty sure this is for our cooker, gas cooker. 100% sure. We've got some Happy Meal Despicable deck. So I'm guessing it's a like Minions card set. We've already got a set of cards, so I don't know if I want to keep that. Another French book. A book about learning how to speak English. Cartel. I grew up in Colombia, the daughter of a drug lord, until one day a drug run went horribly wrong. Oh my god. It looks pretty good. I might keep this one. Alex might like that one as well. I've got another French book. This is a dictionary. French to English, English to French. Then we have, I think this is like East Coast Australia book in French. Like a guidebook. We already have one, so there's no point in keeping this because it's in French. Beer gardens, concerts, it says. The Fever Code. The new Maze Runner, now a major motion picture. The origins of Maze Runner. Can I read this first? Has anyone read the Maze Runner books? Because I really, really like the films. We've seen the first one. We never got around to seeing the second one, and I know the third one's out now. Can I read this first, if it's the origins? or does it give stuff away? Let me know if you've read the books in the comments. I will definitely keep this for the future. This was bought in England. Oh, yet more frigging cutlery. We've got this weird Australian book in French. We have a Atlas of Australia. Probably keep this just in case we ever get lost. And then there is Midwest Southwest map book. It's got Perth in it. That's about it. Perth. There's some white tack which we'll keep. And then there's this box. And it's got all sorts in it.
We've got a USB cable that'll fit Alex's phone, so I'm happy about that. We've got some bead thread, which can go with them beads. We've got some batteries, some more batteries. We've got some more batteries that I've thrown out. We've got some staples. We've got some stick tape. We've got... I have no idea what this is, some sort of tape. I'm not sure what that is. We've got a little mini stapler, we've got some more sticky tape, we've got some more sticky tape, and we've got a glue stick. So, some of this stuff I just don't understand why it's here. Still sticky. Right, what do you need to chuffing glue stick for? What do I need 3 rolls of sticky tape for?
Why does this always happen to me? Anyway, make sure you let me know in the comments what you would keep and what you think to all this stuff. Like, is it pretty cool or is it pretty weird? Personally, I think it's pretty weird. But thank you for watching, guys. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. I post videos every Wednesday and Friday, and I will see you on Friday. Bye, guys.